'Cause it feels so good, so good.
Today I'm going to show you how to apply Nu Skin's amazing new lip color, Powerlips Fluid. Now, before you begin, make sure your lips are clean and bare. Next, choose the right Power Lip shade for your day. I think I'll go with Persistence. The application process is super simple. Just take the tip of the applicator and line your lips. Because of the smooth consistency of Powerlips Fluid, you can really get a beautiful clean line around the corners of your mouth and Cupid's bow. Then simply put a bit more color on the applicator and fill. The saturated color formula goes on in a single swipe, but you can layer after it dries if you like. For best wear, avoid glosses, balms, and oily foods. One of the cool things about this product is that it doesn't contain any of the potentially harmful ingredients that other brands use to promote quick drying. Instead, Powerlips Fluid is good for your lips. It nourishes and softens them throughout the day, and you can actually feel the suede comfort cushion at work. Without those flashing off ingredients, you may need to wait a bit for it to dry completely, but once it does, you'll have long-lasting, beautiful color that helps your lips stay soft and comfortable. It's as easy as that. Now you can conquer your day with vibrant, powerful lips. For more information, talk to the person that showed this video to you.